The shutoff valve under my kitchen sink is leaking, and it's leaking from what's called the packing nut. And I'm going to show you how I fix that leak. This is a shutoff valve. This is the body of the shutoff valve. If you remove this screw, the handle comes off. This is the packing nut, and that's what's leaking on my shutoff valve. This white nylon ring right here is called the friction ring. And that black seal right there is the actual packing nut seal. It's a packing seal. This is the valve stem. They're plastic or metal. If you unscrew it, at the end of it, you'll see a washer. That washer is what stops the water from coming through to your kitchen faucet or your bathroom faucet or your toilet when you turn this shutoff valve off. So the rule of thumb is this: if the shutoff valve leaks when it's on, the packing nut is leaking and needs to be tightened. And I'll show you how to do that. If the shutoff valve leaks when it's off, meaning the water supply is off, you've turned this off to repair or replace a kitchen or bathroom faucet or repair a toilet. The washer at the end of this valve stem is bad and needs to be replaced. It's no longer pliable, so it can't do its job and hold back the water, stop the water. If you do that repair, you need to turn off your main water supply to your home. Same with the packing nut. Now I'm going to show you how to tighten that packing nut. I'm using 2 adjustable wrenches to tighten the packing nut. I use one wrench to put on the valve body itself to keep it stationary when I am tightening the packing nut right here. So I'm just going to tighten that packing nut a little bit, about 1/8 of a turn, to stop that leak. You don't need to tighten it too much, just a little bit at a time. So tighten it about 1/8 of a turn and keep checking back to see if it stopped the leak. If it hasn't stopped the leak, tighten it 1/8 of a turn more. And that's how I tighten a packing nut on a shutoff valve to stop a leak. Hope it helps, and happy DIYing.